Good evening. Our team is Binary Players, and our problem statement is Assured Contract Farming System for Stable Market Access. For this problem, we have come up with a solution, a farm exchange. Farm exchange is an innovative solution designed to revolutionize contract farming by using advanced technologies like machine learning and artificial intelligence. The platform directly connects farmers with buyers, ensuring stable market access by eliminating intermediaries. Here how it works. ML powered crop matching. The platform uses machine learning to match farmers with buyers based on farm data, ensuring that the right crops meet the demand. Price negotiation tools. Farmers and buyers can negotiate the prices through the platform, ensuring fairness and transparency. It provides live market updates to help farmers make informed decisions. Blockchain smart contracts ensures transparent and temper-free agreements fostering trust. Some of the additional features we have. The platform also integrates crop insurance, logistics supports, and dispute resolution, making it a comprehensive solution for modern farming. The solution also emphasizes stable market access, income stability, and empowerment through the transparent pricing, reliable contracts, and secure payments. Let's understand the technical approach. We outline the technical structure and flow of our solution using a flowchart. We have developed a detailed flowchart illustrating the user journey and registration of the execution of a farmer smart contract. It depicts the interaction between various components such as farmer buyer registration, crop matching, price negotiation, contract formation, and the use of external APIs for the logistic and payment processing. Let's understand the fuzzy interface system. We designed and implemented a fuzzy interface system to manage uncertainties, especially related to crop fields, market condition, and environmental factors. It uses fuzzy logics to provide flexible and adaptive decision-making tools, which are crucial in agricultural scenarios where factors are not always black and white. Let's understand the working prototype. A working prototype was built using modern web technologies like React.js and Node.js. This ensures a smooth user experience across both web and mobile devices. The prototype shows essential features like contract formation, market data integration, and real-time notification for farmer and buyer. Our technical approach also involves integrating AI models for predictive analysis and blockchain for smart contracts. We designed a system to show scalability, ensuring that it can support an increasing number of users without sacrificing performance. This technical foundation ensures the platform's robustness, scalability, and user-friendliness. Feasibility and visibility. We conducted a detailed feasibility study covering the technical, operational, financial, and market aspects. We ensured that our solution utilizes modern frameworks like Node.js and React.js, making it technically scalable and easy to integrate with the existing tools like payment APIs. Operationally, we made sure that the platform is user-friendly and supports multiple local languages. Financially, we have developed a revenue model through transaction fees and subscriptions, making the platform visible for long-term sustainability. Let's see the impacts and benefits. We evaluated the impacts and benefits. For farmers, we ensured stable market access and higher income by eliminating intermediaries and introducing crop insurance. For buyers, we provided a reliable supply chain with guaranteed quality. For the agricultural sector, we promote the adaptation of modern technologies like AI and blockchain to increase efficiency and transparency. For the economy, the platform contributes to rural development, reducing mitigation, migration, and improving food security. Research and references. We have backed our solution with extensive research and various technologies. This includes AI models for crop recommendation and weather prediction, blockchain for contract management, and IoT-based sensor for soil testing. We also refer to our studies on precision agriculture and sustainable farming practices to ensure that our solution is grounded to current trends and innovations. Thank you.